Okay, today I'm going to show you how to take an old t-shirt and turn it into shop rags. I don't know about you, but I come across a decent amount of t-shirts every year, and when I go through my clothes drawer and clean them out, as long as they're a light color, I like to turn them into shop rags, and it keeps me from having to buy shop rags. So first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you where we're going to be cutting this off at. So I like to just come down the sleeve there and cut right in front of the seam. And then I find that if I just find the seam here on this sleeve and cut right next to it on both sides. I don't like having those seams on my shop rags for whatever reason. So I just cut down each side of the seam. And this is just all the waste that we're gonna have, and you can see it's just got that stitching there. And we're left with a decent sized rag. Now, I like having some small rags and I like having some large rags, so I usually take these sleeves here and I split them down the middle. And that leaves me with two smaller size rags that can go in the pile. So I'm gonna come over here to this other sleeve, cut that off. And as long as we can find that seam, we can usually do it with just one cut because it's usually folded over right there. So there's our waist. There's our rag. I'll keep that one large. Alright, so now we got this sweet sleeveless shirt. So what I am going to do here is, right where those sleeves went in, I am going to cut straight across to the other sleeve. And that usually takes care of any logos that are on these. You're left with this fairly large piece here. So what I like to do is cut this into thirds. And if you come here and here, it's going to leave you with four good sized rags that if you want to cut in half, you can. So we're just going to come, I'll show you how I like to, I'll just mark it out. I'm going to come right there and about right there. So I hope you are finding this video enjoyable. Please like and subscribe. This is a great way to reuse, t-shirts that you were gonna throw away or donate. If you want to donate them, donate them. But if you're just gonna throw them away, might as well turn them into these nice rags. So now look at that. We got this nice, it's good size shop rag right there. We got another one right there. We take these pieces that we cut in about thirds, and look at that, good size rag. You could cut that in half if you wanted to. I find usually that the less we cut, the better. I don't like having any logos on mine, so what you could do is I always cut them off. And we can end up with having one more good sized rag if we just cut along the back here. Nice straight cut. We want to avoid that collar. Get that out of there. And then we end up with two more little seams we got to take off. can make these as neat as you want or do them as quick as you want. But you know, within a couple minutes, I'm gonna split this in half. Give me 2 medium-sized rags. So there you go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we could have 10 if we would have made 2 smaller rags out of this. But 9 rags that I like to just stuff in a bag like this, hang it up in the shop, and they're always good to go. Thanks for watching. Anything that I used in this video, I'll post in the description below with some Amazon links, and I appreciate it. Thanks a bunch. Bye.